Okay, so I'm talking about sales funnels. So you're probably a marketer, brand manager, maybe a business owner, and you know what it is. You've got your leads at the top and you've got your conversions at the bottom, and you're moving them through the stages. I'm going to tell you how video can help you move them through each of the stages, and at the end, I'm going to give you a fantastic tip, so stick around for that. These are the stages of the marketing funnel. Now, you're going to find different versions of this, but this is pretty much the standard breakdown. And the first stage we get is awareness, and this is where they become aware of your brand. And this might be through word of mouth, in-person events, maybe through SEO and social media. And that's where social videos play a big part. So with this, it's engagement. You're not selling at this stage. They're just becoming aware of your brand and they're becoming interested, which will be the next stage. YouTube is also important because you can SEO optimize for that. So if your client or potential client is searching for a particular solution to their problem that your business provides, then you can optimize for those search terms, for those keywords on YouTube, which is owned by Google. So they will push them to your videos, and then hopefully they'll become more interested and enter your sales funnel. Next up is interest, where they're interested in your brand. So you've piqued their interest, now they want to know more. And again, social content plays a big part in this. At this stage, again, don't try and sell. It's more about adding value. Funny goes a long way, engaging for sure. Show off your product details, stand that from the crowd. Retargeting is also very effective at this stage. You can use video for that to retarget people who visited your site and looked at products or services, and then serve them up video ads about that specifically to encourage them to come back and hopefully make a conversion, or at least move them through the marketing funnel. Next up is desire or consideration. And at this stage, there's a lot of options. So video ads, again, same content that you had before, you can target them on social too. So very effective at this stage because they're actually considering who they're gonna buy from. Testimonial videos from people who've used your product is highly effective too. Having that social value makes a big difference in people making a decision on whether they're gonna purchase or not. Product demonstrations, also great if people can learn about how your product works by watching a video. That's very effective. I believe the percentage is high. It's like 70-something% of people will watch a product demonstration video when they're considering a big purchase online. Product reviews, also great. If you can get influencers to help you with this, fantastic. Then you tap into their audience as well, and it just gives it more social value than if it's a product review by somebody who works for your own team. Having that independent review, very valuable. And then free tutorial videos on how to use things as well. This is great. Not quite the same as an online course where you pay for it. This is free, so you're adding value at this stage. All of these are free, they're not paid for, and all of these should include a CTA as well, because you want people to take action because they're primed at this stage to move to the next phase, which is action. And this is where they make the purchase, this is where they sign up, this is where you want them to go. So they've started at the top of the funnel here, and then they're going to move down towards action. At this stage, you're not trying to sell anymore, you're trying to enrich in the experience. If you keep trying to sell, then at this stage it gets a bit spammy. They've just made the purchase, so help them with that by product demonstrations. Again, if they haven't seen those, very useful. You can link to that maybe in the purchase email. And then retargeting, but this is important, retarget with a related product. It's really annoying when, say you buy a coffee machine and then you keep getting served ads for coffee machines. Like, I've bought the machine. Why don't you sell me something that's related to that? So apparatus, maybe coffee to grind, whatever it may be, but something that's related so you can get that second purchase, the repeat purchase. And that brings us to the next phase, which is loyalty. So they've taken action, they've bought from you, and now you want that repeat customer, and you also want this to become evangelists for your brand. Social media content works well at this stage, as well as product demos and product reviews for things that they haven't purchased yet, but they're aligned with the purchase that they did make. So maybe you've got a new line coming out or something related. These are perfect for them at this stage. Hopefully, the experience that they have is good enough that they will then start to promote your brand for you and become evangelists. So as you can see, some of the video formats work really well at various stages. So engaging social content works the awareness, desire, and then loyalty phases. And product demos work well at the interest, desire, and action stages. If you're interested in finding out how video can help move your leads through to conversion, then please drop us a comment, send a DM, info@clarityvideo.co.uk. Love to hear from you. Thank you for watching that. And here's the tip that I mentioned earlier in the video. Whenever you're creating video content for your audience, always approach it from their perspective. Some brands, they kind of approach it a bit like it's a quarterly report and they want to tell people what they have got to say about their company. No one cares about that, okay? Focus on what your audience want to know to move them through the stages of the marketing funnel. I guarantee that's going to improve the quality and the effectiveness of your videos more than anything else. So thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe and I'll catch you again soon.